Two of the biggest names in home security, Blink and Cove, are going head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Blink, affordable, battery-powered cameras built for simplicity. On the right, Cove, professional monitoring with DIY flexibility and serious protection. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what truly matters. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. To keep things super clear, we're showing a mind map of the categories we're covering: price, security features, camera and video capabilities, setup and installation, smart home integration, battery life, and customer support and ratings. Stick around. I'm going to walk through each one. Let's start with price because, let's be honest, who doesn't care about saving a few bucks? Blink comes in totally clutch here. Their cameras start at just under $30, no contracts, plus they've got some affordable bundles. But it's only cameras. You don't get any full alarm stuff, so keep that in mind. Then there's Cove. Monitoring kicks off around $20 a month, and you can mix and match your equipment. No locked-in contracts, which is sweet, but heads up. You actually have to pay for monitoring, and their starter package lands around $300, so you're shelling out a bit more up front. So yeah, for pure price, Blink snags the win here. Security features. This one actually gets interesting. Blink gives you the basics: motion alerts, some night vision, Alexa stuff, and certain models even do person and vehicle detection. Thing is, there's no pro monitoring, no fire, flood, or other environmental sensors. It's really just cameras. Cove, though? Whole different vibe. You get round-the-clock professional monitoring. Sensors for doors, windows, motion, fire, flood, you name it. Plus, dual backup for cellular and Wi-Fi, so you're covered if the internet flakes out. If you go for the Plus plan, warranty lasts forever. There's even sound detection in some cams. Downsides? Gotta pay for monitoring, and camera access is only unlocked on the priciest plan. But honestly, it's clear. Cove totally takes this category. And now, cameras and video stuff, sort of where both these systems shine. Blink offers up both 1080p and some 2K options, two-way audio, a free app to watch live, and honestly, the battery life is amazing. Only catch? If you want to go back and watch footage, you need their cloud subscription. Nothing local. Now, Cove, slightly different story. It works with UFI cameras up to 2K quality, and you actually get both triggered and continuous recording. Local storage? Yep, it's there, so you're not trapped by subscriptions. Plus, solid night vision. But here's the curveball. You'll only get camera access on their higher Plus plan. So if you want all the features, you've got to pay up. Verdict? It's honestly neck and neck. This one's a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Cove's touchscreen actually guides you through the entire setup, step by step. So if you're worried about DIY installs being confusing, this thing makes it almost too easy. How about setup and installation? You know what? Blink makes DIY pretty much effortless. Wireless, minimal fuss, stick 'em up and go. Except, remember, it's just cameras. Cove is kind of fun here. You get this guided touchscreen that literally walks you through everything. Choose DIY or get the pros, starting at $129. Sensors are peel and stick, and the devices come pre-configured. Super breezy. Only downside is, Pro install is an extra charge. For total hands-off setup and more options, Cove wins. Smart home integration. People are obsessed with this now, right? Blink plays nice with Alexa and brings some neat voice controls, but if you're big into Google Home, sorry, no luck. Cove? Oh, and this is cool. You get both Alexa and Google Home integration, plus a full mobile app. But you do kind of need to splurge on the Plus plan for all the bells and whistles. So, for basic stuff, both are solid. Just depends what you need. I'm calling this one a tie. Battery life. Blink, oh man, this is their flex. Wireless cameras can last literally up to 2 years between battery swaps, which is kind of wild, honestly. Of course, batteries will need changing eventually, but still, that's insane for a security cam. Cove, on the other hand, the hub and keypad have a decent 24-hour backup, but no extended battery camera options yet. So yeah, if you want set it and forget it power, Blink wins hands down. Finally, customer support and ratings. Blink's app is super easy to use and people like it, but if you run into trouble, it's really just self-service help, and responsive troubleshooting is a bit, Now Cove, on the other hand, comes out swinging. Top customer ratings for 2025, a seriously generous 60-day trial, always-on support, and a lifetime warranty if you opt for their best plan. Downside? You've got to be on that higher plan for the warranty. Still, for peace of mind and actual live humans helping you out, Cove wins. All right, so on the radar chart, you can really see where these two shine and, struggle. Blink's got unbeatable price and battery life, but Cove absolutely dominates in security, customer support, and flexibility. So, final thoughts. If you just want reliable, simple cameras that last forever and cost less, Blink's the move. But if whole home protection, pro monitoring, and having a helping hand matter to you, Cove's the better pick. Both have their quirks, but honestly, they're pretty awesome depending on what you actually need. Found this helpful? Make sure to stick around. We'll be dropping more straightforward, no-nonsense comparisons